I already had reviewed the Potensic ATOM 2 drone before, and the video did pretty good. Thank you so much for watching it. But this time, it's all about the new PTD1 controller. That just came out. It is a total game changer. The big difference here is that this one has a built-in screen, which means no more using your phone, no more cables, and no more launching the Potensic app every time you want to fly. Nothing wrong with the Potensic app, but it just frees your phone from, let's say, a potential call or a text. And if you're on the air, that's the least thing you want to happen. You want to focus on your flight, and that is it. The original controller worked fine, but you had to slide in your phone and connect through the cable and deal with notifications or calls popping up mid-flight, which is very scary because you don't know what's gonna happen. But with this new one, all you have to do is just power it on and you're ready to fly. That's it. One thing I noticed straight out of the box was the connection feels a lot smoother and the range has been more improved. And I can say that from the previous to this one. And not to mention that new beautiful 5.5-inch display, which is actually 1080p. And the display is bright enough to see in clear outdoors, even in a strong daylight. I haven't had any issues whatsoever. So let's move on to the battery life and some features that this controller has that the other one does not have. It runs about 3 hours, plus what Potensic is saying. I haven't tested it that far. I just used the 3 batteries, which are 75 minutes to 80 minutes, and I haven't had no issues whatsoever. And honestly, you can actually top it up with, a fast charging through USB-C, and it charges pretty quick. I'm not gonna say no. There's also a built-in storage for a micro SD slot if you want to record your flight feed, or if you want to just get any screen recordings into the micro SD, you can do so, which honestly, that's a nice touch that Potensic was able to do that. So this new controller overall, it makes flying the ATOM 2 a lot easier and more fun. You get a cleaner setup, a stronger connection, and a better range, to be honest. You get to screen record whatever flight you want to do. You could download your flight logs. I mean, Potensic, they really nailed it when it came to this controller. Didn't skimp out on features. And any settings you want to control on this controller, you can do so. And which is the beauty of this controller. You don't have to go fiddle with the app and try to calibrate and all that stuff through an app when you can just do it straight out of your controller. You guys know I reviewed the Potensic ATOM 2, which is an amazing drone, and it's my everyday drone, to be honest. It's very small, compact, fits in my pocket, and now that I have this new controller, it just makes more sense. So thank you, Potensic, for actually creating the new controller. If you're looking to upgrade your Potensic ATOM 2 experience, look no further. The new PTD1 remote controller is available on its own for $279.99, or you can grab it bundled with the standard kit for $479.99, or go like me with the Fly More combo for $599.99. Choose what fits your needs. So if you guys are interested in getting the PTD1 controller for the ATOM 2, I'm gonna link it in the description so you guys can check it out. And also I'm gonna link the ATOM 2 if you guys are interested in buying it. And I'm gonna tell you, if you don't wanna spend a lot of money and you want cinematic shots, the ATOM 2 for me is still my favorite drone. It's so tiny, it fits in my pocket, and I'm always on the go, and it's my favorite drone right now. So this is gonna be it for me. I hope you found this video useful, informative, and if you did, go out there, create, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.